Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a business money market account with Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to go to Twoguysfinance website, and then you're gonna click on business money market. Now you're gonna need to review the different business money market account options and choose the one that best suits your specific business needs. And once that's done, you're going to click apply now, and then you need to fill out the online application form. Now with that form, you're going to need to provide the required documentation, such as business financial documentations and tax returns documents. Once you provided those, you want to review and agree to the business money market account terms and conditions. And once that's been agreed to, you're going to receive a business money market account decision, and if it's approved, you need to review and sign the account documents. Once that's done, just fund your business money market account and you can start earning interest. And you can always use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to manage your business money market accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business money market account with Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in